reported to see the traffic jams at several points, which followed the third day of the implementation of restriction on community activities in the city of Bekasi. Long traffic jams at several points in the capital city and Bekasi area, the decree of emergency PPKM. To find out the latest information regarding the addition of number of points in the city of Bekasi, there is already native Indonesia producer Salsabila Dinda on Street Hair Anwar East Bekasi. Salsabila, how are the conditions on Street Hair Anwar on the third day of this emergency PPKM?
Yes, good morning Lisa. It's true that today, November 28, is the third day of the emergency PPKM. But this is the first day of work. So based on our observation since this morning, there have been some traffic jams at several points, one of which is the blocking point where I'm located, namely on Street Chairil Anwar, Bekasi East. This morning there was a traffic jam along 2.5 km. Right now, I will show you what the situation is in the field. There is indeed a little queue, but based on our monitoring since this morning, it is much better than yesterday at 4 am. If we look at the rules of this emergency PPKM, anyone can go to the capital or can work. But in fact, in the field here, it was found that some who can only pass through is buried at the medical team, the health team, and the security team. Because if we look at the rules, we must bring a worker registration certificate. We will invite you to interview one of the motorcycle who crossed this area on Jalan Chairil Anwar. Come follow me. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Where are you from? May I know?
From Setu area.
On the way here, there is a point of connection or not, ma'am?
When I first came first, it's Khoirul Anwar, and at the Khoirul Anwar intersection.
Is there any check by security office, either police or army, when entering the street?
Yes, so I was asked for a letter of registration of workers.
Okay, thank you very much for the taking time, and have a nice and carefully journey back on the road, ma'am.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, viewers, as we can hear earlier, there is indeed a traffic jam on Street Chairil Anwar, and monitoring of congestion is still a long way off. Back to the studio, Lisa.
Okay, on Street Hair Anwar, according to Salsabila, there was indeed a slight queue of vehicle, but it was better than 4 am. Thank you, Indonesia Net TV field producer Salsabila Dinda, for the full report. That's all for the news today. I'm Adeno Haliza from Net TV. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Salsabila Dinda from Net TV, bringing you the latest news for the day. Due to the deteriorating health condition, a number of residents in the Kalimulya Taman Anyelir Housing, Depok, West Java, were evacuated to the hospital. In the housing, there are 76 residents infected with COVID-19. There were 6 residents infected with COVID-19 who had to be taken to the hospital due to their deteriorating health condition. Today, there were 3 additional positive cases, bringing the total number of COVID-19 cases to 76 people. 2 of whom died, even this residential area has been quarantined in the area or micro-lockdown since last June 22.
How has COVID-19 changed in the Coronation Garden housing?
This edition is amazing. It has reached approximately 76 people.
How many family members?
Almost 37.
Are only the elderly infected?
There are the elderly, teenagers, parents, mothers, children, and those who are 7 months old.
Okay, viewers, as we heard earlier, there are still many residents who are still exposed to COVID-19 at the Kalimulya Coronation Park House Complex, Depok West Java. Back to the studio, Salsabila.
Okay, at Taman Anyelir Kalimulya Housing Estate, Depok, West Java, according to Salsa, there are still many who are affected by COVID-19, and there are also toddlers who are affected by COVID-19. Therefore, for all of which we must keep each other healthy to avoid exposure to COVID-19. Thank you Indonesia TV file producer Salsa for your full report. That's all now for today. I'm Salsa Bila. Thank you for watching and have a great day.